Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to see members list in Discord server mobile. So let's start. It's very easy. Well, first you have to open your Discord app, and then when we are here, just go to a channel in Discord. In this case I will use this for example, and then when we are here, let's go to the word general. In my case, just click there, and here you will see all the members that take part in your Discord channel. In this case, you can see here it says members, and here you have the option invite members, and also you have here for example the members that connect, and here say Pokemon, and we have one connect, that is me, and also you have two members online. If there are more members in your channel and there are no connect, here appears offline, and you will see the people who is not offline on your channel. So it's very easy to see the members on Discord. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.